All right, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Trading with Ease in the Oracle. It is going to be Wednesday, July 29th, 2026. And let's talk about the market for a second. All right, welcome everybody. Let's see. All right. Let's see, it's right there. Boom. It go here. All right, that is correct. All right, so the market has been going a little haywire this morning. Welcome, y'all. Welcome to another episode. And it is Wednesday, July 29th, 2026. And let's talk about the market for a second. All right, so the market started open up Asia session, kind of went down a little bit, then it went up, then we've been kind of ranging, and now we're on a downward trend. Our opening play was really sketchy this morning, but sometimes, you know, win some, you lose some. But right now, this is the 15-minute candle. Oh, that's a 15-minute orb right there. Let me mark that out for a second, 15-minute orb. Yeah. So we are definitely below the 15-minute orb. Okay. Good deal.
See it, I'm gonna hit it.
Okay.
Oh, I see it.
A little less? Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Would you be down?
Already? Yeah.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Until you made everything back up. All right.
Let's be patient because we're coming down to the
daily look like.
Which we call them, yeah.
Look like, yeah, we coming down to the daily. Yep, so we are in a downward trend. Kind of knew that. Yeah, it was kind of screwed up this morning, but
yeah, it was a flux this morning.
Yeah. No. Bruh. Well, I think we're going to hit this daily right here. And I think we may get it retraced back up. We just got to be careful on this one.
It might hit the daily at the bottom of London and then come back up.
Come back up, yeah.
This is a 8 o'clock candle, yeah. Oh, we continue down.
Yeah.
Now, why can be patient and stay in this?
All right. Yeah, we had some fluctuations this morning. Kind of talk about our opening trade. Let me see if I can get in to here.
It was our fault though that the opening play didn't play out for us.
Yeah.
We pulled the trigger too fast.
Okay. So let's talk a little bit about the opening trade, okay? Opening trade came in at 8:30. We pulled the trigger too early.
Yeah,
We got stopped
just a
out,
little bit.
and she came back down under the 200. Got back in the trade right at about the underneath the 20. So I got back in the trade at the 20, and I rode it for two candles down, and got back some of my losses. But I did take some L's up here. I got into a short, got stopped out. Got into a short, got stopped out again, and then I took another short here all the way down, and I made up for the couple of plays that I got stopped out. So I did get stopped out twice, but I did a recovery here. So I got in at about 27,866, and I took profits at 27,781. But it was a mess this morning. We did make some mistakes.
That's all it did. Yeah, we just got in it too fast.
We got in it too fast.
Maybe a penny too quick.
Yeah, we got in it too
penny
fast.
too quick. But yeah, we made it back though. Made the loss back.
Made the loss back. And that is the thing about this. Sometimes you have to be a little patient. Okay, we wasn't. And one thing about it is that if the 200 is flat, if the 200 is flat and the 20 is under the 200, it should be no longs. Like, yes, it did come back up and it peaked right above the 200, but it also came down, and the rest is history. But
so look at this thing, how the hourly candle wick is forming, and what we doing.
Hourly wick, let's see.
Yeah, I don't want you to miss it. I know you're talking.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see. I see.
Are we gonna continue to push down? Gotta continue to push down.
Yeah, we don't have no wick.
9 EMA right here is holding on
Right.
the side,
So, yeah, we're probably looking for a push down because we don't have no wick at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So what an entry will be for this.
We were so far off the 20 though.
The 9 though is
The
on
9
the 9.
is on the 9, yeah.
The 20 is still in the orb.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see.
Just wait and see, yeah. I see a lot of people getting blown out this morning. Yeah. If you
the
took
opening was tricky.
Opening was tricky.
The orb though is what give us the play.
Yeah.
The orb, the 15 minutes at 8:45. That play was able to give us something.
Yep, it was tricky.
Yeah,
it was definitely tricky.
right.
We had we had
It
consolidation. We didn't have a true distance. What we should have done, I mean that's hindsight 2020, but I think what we should have done, we should have waited, okay, until we hit off the 200. Off the 200, we hit the 200 twice. Then maybe right under the 20 should have been our entry, right? After we broke below and that's why I got into this trade right below the 20, and then I rode it down here. So
look at this. This may be a retracement candle.
yeah, maybe
That's the way it's
retracement
looking.
candle. Yeah, but
yeah.
fuck, it doesn't have a
The
wick at the
38 to
bottom.
the orb. Damn.
Here's what I'm looking for.
Uh-huh.
I'm looking for
The 20 going down.
it probably go spike it up and hit the 20 and then come back down. And the reason why is because the 9 o'clock doesn't have a bottom wick.
Yeah, well, that's gonna be the retest of the orb.
Retest of the
and that's
orb.
where the 20 is. So we should reject that area. That's 38% of the fib, and we may be able to catch a short thing.
Yeah.
Unless we go back up. You never know what NASDAQ want to do. And the line is holding. like we're getting price, their price pushed back to the 850 levels. That's the orb.
Mm-hmm.
And the 20.
And the 20, right.
May not do that.
Mm-mm. Nah, I would like for it, for a short, I would like for it to hit the 20.
Just for that strength.
Yep. And the reason why I'm thinking this may be a continuation, usually the 9 o'clock candle is a retracement of the 8 o'clock candle, but looking that we don't have a bottom wick at the 8 o'clock, at the 9 o'clock candle, telling me that we're going to retrace maybe up to the 50% and then come flush back down. Unless we get it at the 38.2, come down and then come back up. Unlikely. I think we're going to hit the flush back down. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the 8 o'clock wasn't so bad, wasn't so big, and I think if we're on a downward trend, taking it that we did not hit the daily low, right? So I think we're gonna hit the daily low, then maybe come back up.
Okay.
So we look like we might be getting off of the. Let's see, we going back to a narrow state right now. So what we looking at is we got off the 20. We were too wide off the 20 and the 200 look like, and then now we're gonna retrace back up to the 20. I'm looking to see if the 20 go hold, because the 20 starting to trend down. If the 20 hold, then we might be looking for a short opportunity, because we had off of the 200 come down, we a little distance here, and look like we tapped the 20. Look like we tapping off the 20.
I think it won't retest the orb though.
Yeah, it may go up all the way up, may go above the 20. Let's see. Because we right almost at the 50% Fibonacci. We'd actually almost tapped the fib.
Except for coming back down.
Mm-hmm. Because we hit the 20. That's why.
Well, we didn't quite hit it, but we came very close,
Close to
it.
hitting, yeah, it don't.
Yeah.
That's good enough.
And
If she engulfed this candle right here, I might get into the short.
let's see.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. I will wait though for that. Next. No, you're in.
I'm in on that candle going down to this low up here. What is 27,610? Right there about 27,610. That'd be my take profit. All right, so I'm in a short. I might take this short on my top step. 27,610. I'm gonna take this short here too. And I'm gonna go up here.
So you're saying that's what your take profit
Yeah,
is?
my take profit is 27,610. Right before you get to the daily low. Maybe I'm wrong. See, she got a wick. I think that's what I was looking for. But she's off the 20. Never go against the 20. And I may be wrong, but I'm not going against the 20. Good morning. Let's see.
Okay, so we going to the daily. Should be breaking the daily.
Yeah. I got my stop loss right above the 20 at 28, 27,839, 27,839. So 839, right at the tip. All right, right at the 50% right here.
How this looks.
I'm liking it.
Has nothing but room to flush.
Nothing but room to flush. So I'm in a trade right here. And I'm in both trades going off of the 20, right? So I'm off the 20, took the trade off the 20, going down. Take profit is at 27,611. Right before you get to the daily right here is at 27,603. So I'm right above the daily.
You trading, Erica?
I know it does this every day. My question is, if this is going to be the reversal retracement candle, then it already got its wick, and it may not be going to the daily. It may be just going to retrace this 8 o'clock candle, and then maybe come back
new
and
lows, you know.
Yeah. So
They're not making new lows. Okay, the 9 is holding.
yes,
The 20 is coming down.
the
more.
20 is coming down. Yeah. And if you look at the daily chart, the daily is trending down. You see the daily candle? Daily candle is coming down. So that is a good sign that we are coming down here.
Yes.
Okay. So now the only thing we contending with is we have look like Asia lows right here that we got to pop through. So that's going to be very tricky here. If we go break Asia lows and go down to the daily, if that's the case, then we should be fine. But
Okay. I'm almost at my target down here.
okay, so you're gonna Asia.
Huh?
What way should take profit?
609.
609. Okay.
Well, I might tap it out.
I might tap it out too. Yeah.
We at this zone. But
We at the zone right
down.
here.
I don't want to. I've been doing that. I keep tapping out at a certain amount instead of letting the play out and me get the,
Yeah, I'm in break even right now, so yep. So we right here Asia. So
Let's see if we break
if
it.
we
and go
break
to the
it,
daily.
okay,
We tapping.
we tapping. We tapped it. We tapped it. We got to see.
We're coming through
No,
there.
we coming through it.
Let's see what we breach.
We coming through it. We coming through it.
Breach the low.
Breach the low. All right, we tapping it. We tapping it. Don't want to break it. Don't want to break it. Don't want to break it. Nope, we don't want to break it. Come on.
I have a very, very tight stop.
You got a very tight stop? Yeah. Come on. Nope. Don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. Go to that. Go to that low. Come on. Shit.
We're gonna do it. The new 15-minute candle just came in. Coming up to get a wick.
Nope. 15-minute, maybe a retracement of the. Nope.
I got a tight stop, so stop me out, or it's gonna give us the play. There we go.
There we go.
Shit, pop your ass down now. Damn.
Let's see. Yeah, it's playing around too much right now. Come on. The only thing we're looking for is for this to break this Asia lows. Okay, so we have an Asia low right here, and it's rejecting the Asia low down here. So at this point, two things gonna happen: either it's gonna start coming back up, or we're gonna break this Asia low. But look like we're not breaking Asia lows here. Look like we're not breaking Asia lows. You got out of that? Yeah, I'm about to. All right. Good deal. Come on.
You still in?
I'm still in. I'm still in. I got my finger on the trigger.
Yeah. It's just messing around in the area a little bit too much, but it's gonna pop.
Patience. This is why that's why I'm on the 1 hour. And I am looking at the 2 minute. Yep.
Damn, I like how that 20 is curving down.
Yeah, that 20 is curving. We consolidating right here, y'all. So we got a consolidation here.
RSI is very low.
RSI is low. Go to the 2 minute. Look at that. So we consolidating right here. Look like we got a couple of double bottom, triple bottom down here. So we may not break this low. We may not break this low.
I went on and got out of it.
Yeah, I'm out of it too on my apex.
Yeah,
I got out of it on my apex right here. So I got out of it at 27,672, and I'm still in it on my top step, but I'm about to get out of it on my top step too. So yeah.
So you still make a profit?
I still make a profit on it. Yeah, I got $150 profit on my top step right now. So if it tapped me out, then I still make a profit on it.
Yeah, okay, so looks like we ranging in this area. I'm waiting to see what 930 gonna do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm being a little more risky on my top step today. Then my apex I got out of it.
Just make sure you're above the EME.
Yeah, I know
Because
it's.
it might tap it and you can still stay in the play. Yeah.
See, I'm looking at 15 minute is rising.
Hourly too.
Yeah, hourly is rising too. Okay. You just have to content with the consolidation.
It's moving. That's when it moved all the way out the orb.
Yeah.
Wow.
The 20 is definitely moving. Yeah. She might just go back and hit the 20 and come back down, but
Yeah, RSI low.
your RSI is low.
But the 9 EM is holding price too, right there.
Yep. Yeah. Got a profit, take profit right here. So if it comes up, and I'm gonna just go and tap out on this one. Look like we're not gonna go below here. So we just take that and run. Take that and run. Because he's hesitating. Yeah. So, yeah, it may not go over the 9. If she go over the 9, what my stops? My stop loss is at 27,706. May go just a little bit down, maybe 27,705. That's my stop in profit. My take profit is at 27,617. But look like we're gonna come up and retrace. It may hit me. Yep, it may hit me.
Crazy. This candle came down there and that's it. So
That was
see,
it.
stuff
Yeah.
like that should
It
be
hit
the
Asia.
target.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It hit Asia. This is Asia lows right here. So what it did was it hit Asia lows, and that was a wrap. She's coming back up. So my target was the daily low.
Yeah.
Yeah, and but it hit Asia lows and it's popping back up.
Yeah.
So that's why it may just come all the way back up. I'm about to get out, and
You know
I'm
what
out.
we should start doing? When we add, we should put a stop loss at, like, let's say for instance at Asia and then at the daily. So if you hit one target, then you made that profit, but you're still in the trade just in case it goes to the daily.
Right. Yep.
You could do 2 stops.
Do 2 stops. Yeah.
If you double, if you add, you know.
So I got out the trade. I just not liking the way the 15-minute candle is hesitant going up. We already hit Asia lows. Let me show you. So we got a double bottom. That's Asia lows right here. Look at that. You see that? So we hit a double bottom, and so she's going back up. Now the 20 is going down. So the 20 is here. I still wouldn't bet against the 20.
I don't think it's really going. I don't think it's gonna go up.
I don't think we're
the
gonna go
20.
up, but I just did like the hesitation, so I just took profit. But yeah, I wouldn't bet against the 20. I mean,
The 20 was at the orb, and look where.
Yeah, look where it's
now.
at, yeah.
It came way out the orb, so it's moving down.
it's moving
getting
down.
pulled
Yeah,
back
it's just
and-
getting pulled back. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
We took the money.
Yeah, we took the
good.
money, that's
Good
it.
with that.
You know what I'm saying? The whole key is, yes, the play is nice, and we think we're gonna break this double bottom down here, But at the same time, when you see hesitation, you just want to take you want to take your win, you know. So that's what we did. We wound up taking a win, and now it's coming down. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We took the win. Yeah, we took the win. We gone to the day, and they would have.
That's a daily.
Yep, we'd hit the daily, and there it is. Yep.
So range for 10 minutes, and
Yeah.
then we
There it is.
as long as you see that daily trending in the directions, you could probably stay in the trade, have your stop loss over it in this.
Yep. Yep. So I wound up taking profits. I wouldn't call it prematurely, but I mean, I made a decision looking at the double bottom, looking at it, it didn't want to come back down. As soon as I got out the trade, it started coming down. It always happens that way. As soon as you get out the trade, it goes in your direction. So
I might take one last play for the day. Let me see what the 9:30
it's sitting up to
candle do,
9:30.
how it comes in.
Yeah, I'm thinking if the
At the daily, so
we at the daily, right? So I'm thinking if we break the daily, which we are breaking the daily right now, this not quite exact. It's so if you look at this, it's a weird scenario right here, right? Because we at the daily, we got a double bottom, right? We had a weird scenario. We got a double bottom, and now we breaking the daily. But yeah. Oh. We had a double bottom, and we just breached the daily. So, yep. We not wide anymore. We definitely wide right now. So if you look at the 200 is flat, the 20 is curved, right? I got out the trade right around here in the consolidation, right, for some nice profits, but we are definitely still coming down. RSI is way low down here, so kind of look at this RSI. If y'all guys want to look at this RSI, you see the RSI peak up here. RSI is way here at the bottom, and so just kind of looking at that RSI. So we still got a lot of room to the downside here. Looking at this right here. We broke the daily. Okay,
yeah,
we flushing now, y'all. Man. See what that 30-minute go do.
3 minutes. What is this I have marked out right here? I don't know what that is I have marked out right there. Trading a higher time frame is just so much better.
Yeah. Looks like we gonna get a retracement back up.
Even them, maybe moving down. Yeah. Even the 200 is lowering.
Getting ready for a sweet. We haven't went back up and retest the orb. That was strange, right? So we never went back up, retest the orb.
Look, we did right here, kinda. But the
Oh,
20 was
the
holding
20
it.
was holding.
Yeah.
Yep.
But it
Yeah.
went up for a
Okay.
retracement.
Yeah, you did. Yep.
That was the retracement right here. These.
Mm-hmm.
That, yeah.
Yep.
And then
Sure enough, because this is the orb. We came down, we went below the orb, we came back up inside the orb, then we came right back down the orb, and everything's history. We did a correction right here, we come flushing back down. Now we're doing another CMI correction. So if you look at what the market is doing, textbook market play right here, we coming down, correction, come down, consolidation, correction, come down, correction, come down. See? So if you look at the trend, okay, we got a good trend to the downside. And if you look at this part of the trend, boom, okay,
Hey, bud.
right there.
How you doing? Resting?
So we have what's called a channel, right? We have a channel trend. We got a downward trend, correction, downward trend, correction. And if you notice, if you set a trend line, right, it's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows,
We make it real lows down
higher
here.
high. Yep, and you see that.
So we retracing. Okay, so we're retracing back up to the daily.
Yes.
I think we need to retrace the, what's that, London.
Yeah. So what you're looking for is that each candle is lower than these candles, your retracement candle. So this candle lower, this candle's lower, this candle's lower. Now this candle right here might hit this and it may go lower, right? Maybe up to this trend line right there, then it's gonna come down lower. So that's right now, that's the channel trend. Boom.
On top step, look, if
That's
you
on
look
top
at
step.
the
Yep.
indicators over here on
Yep.
trader read,
Yeah.
you'll
You'll
see
see.
we're not going over the
Right.
9.
If we're not going over the 9, you can tell the 9 is the trend, 9
Look
EMA.
at the daily.
And then if you look at the 20, never bet against the 20, right? So 20, 20, boom. Now we may come back up and tap the 20, but if the 20 is starting to still trending down, then we still in a short right here. But the only thing that makes me weary is that we peaked underneath the daily and we coming back up. So that's the only thing that's kind of making me weary, that we peep underneath the daily and then it's coming back up over the daily. Now, if it breaks this trend and it hits the 20 and it breaks the 20, then we might be changing structure to go to the upside.
This the 30-minute candle though.
30-minute candle, okay.
So it could be getting a wick. Or did they want to get away from the 20?
Might want to get away from the 20. You have to recognize one thing that we look at here is that since we got so many red candles right here, 2 big strong red candles, we got to get some sort of retracement and then come back down. So this 30-minute may be a retracement candle for a long, but again, never bet against a 20. So I'll be looking at if it hit the 20, then come down, boom. Definitely don't want to bet against the 20. And we got our trend line. See, it peeped a little bit out the trend line, but it It haven't broke out of the trend line, but that's the only concern that I got with any kind of shorts is that we right here at the daily.
Okay, so we retest the daily and London.
Yep. And we coming back down. You tap this daily right here. Yep. So there it is. Come down, up for correction. And we gotta, yep, and that daily pushing it up. So all your buyers right here. You got your buyers and sellers that came back, it went under, grabbed all that liquidity down here, thinking people is gonna stay in the short.
But this 20,
The 20 holding.
yes,
20 holding.
It's lowering. Well, the 9 is holding price. Yeah, the 9 is holding price, and the 20 is lowering down.
So it's definitely scary right here. Don't know.
So we've reached the daily again.
Yeah, we reached the daily. So yep, we following the trend.
So look, this line too. This where we hit and back down. Yeah, damn.
Taking short right here. Up this correction. No. She peeped underneath that daily. She peeped underneath that daily. Yeah, it's it still wouldn't bet on the on.
Excitement candle.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's too low. It's too low to take a trade right here, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We buried it.
Low. I think we have a lot of room to the downside if that's where we going, but yeah, we need some confirmation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that 20 is lowering.
Yeah, the 20 is lowering.
Sure, if it stops.
Yep. We got this consolidation right here. Look like we definitely going back down. Yep.
So we get a candle to close under the daily right there. And go off there.
Man, this might be a good shot.
Yep. That was a 30-minute. Got a wicked stuff to go.
You go down.
Looks like it. I'll do it on a retrace.
It ain't going back in there.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm in the short. I'm in the short, y'all. The short going tight stop up to the 20, just in case I get wicked out. And I'm going down here to, bam. Let's see. Hit it for 10. Real heavy on this one. I don't know, real heavy, real heavy. Yeah, I'm going real heavy on this one. All right, so I'm in a trade right here, going 10 micros, real tight right here. Stop loss is going to be, take profit is going to be right here at the low, right here. There we go. I'm going to break even on this one. Real quick break even on this one, y'all. Ooh, it's coming back up. Yeah, it's got to go up some. Yep.
We need a little strength off that 9.
Yep.
Push back. When it getting low though.
Yep. Come on, don't hit me up for that. Go back down. Yep.
And 9 holding.
Yeah, 9 holding.
Oh, they looking like they're trying to get a little straight to you. The 9 and the 20.
Okay. All right. Right here.
We need to make a new low right here. See this 5-minute chart?
Yep. I'm going to break even on this one.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to lie to you. Up.
Yeah. There we go. Now
There we
go
go.
right
There we
here.
go. There we go. There we go. Come on down to the silver slipper, baby. Come on down to the silver slipper. Come on down to the silver slipper. Shit, I'm taking that off. Yeah, I took that off. I took that off. I took that off. That was a good $760 right there. Yep, it's still going down. I took that off, y'all. A scalp play. I got in at 27,602. I got out at 27,562. I went 10 micros for a nice little 1.5 bar setup. Got out.
That's good.
Yep. Yep. Never go against the 20. So what made me take this trade was we in the downward trend. We got the 20 going down. We had a correction. Okay. As soon as I seen it come close to the 20 and the next candle come down, I got in after it broke this candle right here. So this what made me get in this trade right here. After it broke this line right here, I got in. You see that? Right here. As soon as it broke that green, I got into a short. Off of the correction for, let's see, 60 points. So I got in right here at 602. I got out at 562. So that's a 60-point win right there. And I went heavy. So that would make me get out because I went very, very heavy. Usually I do between 5 micros, but I went 10 micros on this one, which 10 micros is equal to 1 mini. Okay, so there we go. For a nice little $760 pop. You could believe that you can make $700 in a candle and a half, but that's how trading is. Now, if it would have went the other way, I could have lost 700, but
Thank God it didn't know.
but it didn't go that way. So, I took that nice little trade. And what we doing is we scalping these trades, and the reason why is because if you look at the overall trend, okay, the trend. So really and truly, if we would have stayed in this trade way at about 846 candle when it broke the 20, we would have took this way down, all the way down here. So, you know, we took some scalps right here. I took a trade here. I took a trade here. Then I took a trade here. So overall, I'm about 5 trades in on this account right here. I'm about 5 trades in on this account. So nice little profit for the day. Probably not going to trade no more today. Leave on green, right? Woo. Sweet. Leave on green, and that's it.
Just that on that.
That's that on that.
We better get another new 15-minute candle.
Mm-hmm. Trading is easy if you follow the 20. Trust it still messes with your psychology though.
It does. Hey.
It still messes with your psychology though. But if you look at the trend that I got here, right? The trend, we haven't broke the trend, okay? So look at what we got going on here, and go make this line red. Bam, make that line red right there, so we can see this trend, because this is important. Okay, since the open, what have we been doing? Trending down, trending down, trending. We haven't went over this trend line, and we still trending down. So the trend is not breached, even though we under the daily. The trend is not breached. Now we got the 15-minute candle, the 9:45 candle just came in. So what we looking at right here is maybe a correction. We might be going back up for a correction and then come back down. The key to the game is to trust the 20. And the reason why I'm going back and forth, if you notice, and I don't know what's going on with Top Step. If you notice Top Step right here, they 20, the 200 that I got right here, this is the 200, is above the orb. Okay? The 200 is not that high. This is the indicators are off. Yeah, the indicators is off. Let's see, 27,903. See, yeah, so yeah, the Top Step indicator is at 27,882. Tradeovate is at 27,905. So we are off. This off 2,800. Man, that thing at 2,800. Yep, it's at 28. So it's at 2881.
Back to the 9.
Mm-hmm. So Top Step indicator is right here. So Top Step indicator for the 200 is off by at least 20, 30 points. The 20 EMA on Top Step is off. This is the 20 EMA. The 20 SMA is at 27,691. We should be at 27,615. So that is off by almost 90 points. So the 20 is off by 90 points, and the 200 is off by at least 50 points. So yeah, Top Step indicators is off. You can't have a serious trade if your indicator is off by 60 points. Yeah, so
look what we're doing here. Not going over the 9.
Not going over the 9. We're not going over the, yep. We're not going over the 9, and we're not going over the 20. So, but we get into a critical point where as we 10 minutes before the top of the hour, now we get consolidation. Okay, we 10 minutes before the top of the hour, and we start to get a little wide off the 200. So, and then if you look at the
200 straight though.
The 200 is straight, yeah. And then if you look at the hourly candle is below. So we got three red candles going down. We haven't had no hourly retracement and no higher time frame retracement yet. So
We're coming back. Yeah.
yes, we had a down. Yes, we had a downward trend again. Yes.
Yeah, and I am at golden price because it's
Yes.
definitely retracing back to it. I would like to see it go to the 20 though.
Mm-hmm.
That maybe where it's going. I would like to get a bounce off the 20. We shouldn't go back above the open.
No.
No.
Yep. So we about 10 minutes before the top of the hour, and we are in the consolidation. We actually broke the trend. That's kind of giving me a sign that this market the next hour may go up. So we breaking the trend line.
We're going to the 20, huh?
Yep, we're going to the 20.
Dang.
We hit the 20, look like we tapping the 20.
This is nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh man, I did a video on it last night. It is really, really nice.
So yep, look, we at the
Mm-hmm.
20 to the daily. So that was a nice retracement right there.
Yes. Yep, that's a nice retracement. So again, what it's doing, we're going down off of the 20. We wide from the 20, we come back and hit the 20. We come back down, wide off the 20. We come back up and retrace the 20. We go back wide off the 20, come back and retrace the 20, come wide off the 20, and hit the 20 again. So if we still on the downward trend, we go hit the 20 and come down off the 20 and continue the trend down. Boom. There it is. But we get in a critical situation whereas we so far from the 200, which kind of telling me we may get a retracement back up.
Oh, that's not the 200. I have another line right here. I don't know why I was thinking that was the 200. The 200 is still in the orb up here.
Mm-hmm.
I thought the 200 was getting straight. It was right here. There's another area I have marked out. Low off the 20.
Yep.
No, not quite. It ain't finished.
All right. So we tapping on the
Ain't done.
we tapping on the 20, and this is what I'm thinking. We may break because we exhausted.
Yeah,
we exhausted at this point. Yeah, we exhausted.
The 10 o'clock, you think it's 10 o'clock candle? Maybe.
I mean, I think the 10 o'clock candle may be a retracement candle.
Yeah.
We exhausted, y'all. That's it. I mean, no more shorts. I wouldn't be thinking about shorts right now.
Yeah.
We
had a good run.
We had a
today,
good
so,
run, and I think what's going to happen is since we broke the trend line right here, I had a trend line. We broke the trend line. That tells you everything you need to know. It's coming up. It's going to break the daily, and it's going to probably go up back up to maybe.
Look at that.
Yeah. Here we go. We exhausted. So now she's got to come back to a narrow state. So we probably start seeing this 20 curve up. We seeing the 200 coming down. So we're going to see, I think we're about to see a curve up to the 20. Let me see.
If we are going up though, if we going up, if we're not going up, we shouldn't break this. Let's see.
Yep, I think we go here, probably come down.
That's like the 20 open price.
Yep. That's what I'm thinking we may do.
Less than.
20 holding price, but we got 8 more minutes before the top of the hour. I think we remove. This gonna be a very important candle right here, because since we peeped over the 20, are we gonna come back, look like we coming back down? So the trend may not be over. We don't know. If this candle turn green and go above the 20, then possible loans may be in place. But nope, we're not finished with the trend. But look at the EMA. EMA starting the curve. If the 9 EMA cross the 20, then we looking for longs. Look at that. Now she's going back up. Yep, there it is. So now
The 20 and the 9 is at a very
narrow state. So the
About to
29
cross,
will look like about to. So here's a scenario.
Whoa.
The scenario is you want your candles right now to stay above the 20. If you're going to take a
We're
long,
gonna go long. Yep.
you want it to stay above the 20. If we come down from the 20, this is a danger zone. So this candle is important.
What if we going to retest the orb and touch the 200?
Right. Ooh, that's a long way up. That's a good. They'll call this a V-shaped recovery. So we'll
It
go.
did that yesterday.
It did that.
It did
Yeah.
that yesterday. It did the same thing yesterday.
So we broke the trend line. So since we broke the trend, now we're looking for upside move. But if we go to a 5-minute, we're starting to see a possible V-shaped recovery. The question is, what's down here at this low?
This is my only concern. We have to go back into London.
Yeah.
That's okay. Shit, 20 still holding price. So I don't know if we going up there.
Oh,
They
it's
didn't
holding.
cross.
It didn't cross.
They
All
didn't
right, there we go.
cross.
We still.
They didn't cross.
There we go. That was the whole thing. If it passed the 20, it has to hold. The 20 has to hold it,
You
but
have to
nope.
get a candle that closed above
Above
that.
the 20. But look at the 20s holding. We still in the short, y'all. We still going down. Yep. So what this telling us is that we got a 180 power candle here. We got a 180. We got a green going up, and we got a red coming down. And look at that red that overpowered the green. The red overpowered the green. So here we is, but we still need this 20 to hold. We still need the 20 to hold. So this is definitely, this is critical zone right here, because if the 20 go hold, then we should be good for continuation to the downside. There it is.
See,
There
I
you
would
go.
like to see them crisscross though. That'll give us extra confirmation
Yep.
of
But
the direction that we gonna go in. But
shit, this still a short.
yeah.
It's still a short right here.
Cause look, they bounced off the daily.
Uh-huh,
We
bounced off the daily.
So
Yep, it's still a short. The daily is resistance is holding. See, this is the daily candle, right? I mean the daily low. Bam, you see that? Tap the daily, rejection, boom, come down.
Candle come in the new it's almost 10 days, it's almost out of time.
Yeah, it's almost our time. Yeah, so we are. Good.
I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, when we get towards the top of the hour, which we are at the top of the hour, we say to ourselves, we took a couple of trades. We had a couple of losers, but overall we profit for the day, which is green. Congratulations to both of us. We had a rough start in the morning, but it's how you end, it's not how you start. So we started out rough and we ended green. And so at this point, we right at the top of the hour. We get off the charts.
Yeah.
Like we get off the charts and we start our day. It's Wednesday,
Yeah.
so we still got 2 more days. We about to end the month.
Yeah.
So we got real quick. Look at the monthly
Friday.
candle. Yeah, let's look at the monthly candle right quick.
Down.
Monthly candle is down. Yeah, monthly candle is down right there. Oof. We already passed the previous month candle.
Yeah, we engulfed that.
Yeah, so we
we are
engulfed.
definitely on a downward trend.
Yep, we engulfed the previous monthly candle. So
Oh, we coming down.
we
more.
coming
That's a
down,
big
yeah.
gap there.
Yep, oof, yep. So
That's a big gap. We got a lot of room to the
a
downside.
lot of room to the downside. So if you look at it, this is 2 months ago, which we started the trend to the upside. We've been consolidating for months and months and months and months right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months we've been consolidating. Then we broke the trend to the upside for a whole month. Then we finished and then we topped out up here. This is the monthly high and at 31,140, and that's it. So we haven't broke that, and that month was a doji candle, and we come trending down. Now, if you look at the overall monthly scenario, we may come back
Oh,
down.
we're crisscrossing there.
Oh yeah, we're going up.
We're crisscrossing now. All right, it's 10.
Okay, it's 10.
Shit.
All right, y'all. So we appreciate you coming out, and we gonna get on out of here, and hopefully you was entertained, because we was entertained.
Yeah.
And we gonna see y'all tomorrow, same bad place, same bad time.
Oh.
Thank you.